Picture this: a single box on your shelf that replaces your DAC, amplifier, streamer, and even your turntable preamp. Sounds too good to be true? That's exactly what the Eversolo Play promises. With a 5.5-inch full-color touchscreen, a sleek aluminum body, and a design that screams modern audiophile chic, it looks more like a piece of futuristic home tech than a traditional hi-fi component. But don't let its compact size or minimalist aesthetic fool you. This little beast is built to impress, not just with looks, but with performance that punches way above its weight class. Eversolo didn't just design the Play to look good, they engineered it to feel good too. Crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy, the casing doubles as a full-body heatsink, keeping the amp cool without any noisy fans. And at 2.6 kilograms, it's light enough to move around but hefty enough to feel premium. The touchscreen is responsive, colorful, and intuitive, split into 6 key sections like music services, apps, and connect. No clunky menus, just smooth swiping. Add in a customizable glowing volume knob, and suddenly, your listening station just got an aesthetic upgrade. Connectivity-wise, the Play is an overachiever. You've got dual-band Wi-Fi and gigabit Ethernet for streaming, USB 3.0 ports for local files, HDMI ARC for your TV, and Bluetooth 5.0 with AAC SBC support for casual playback. Optical, coaxial, and line-in? Check. Built-in phono preamp for MM and MC cartridges? You bet. Want to add a subwoofer? There's an adjustable sub out ranging from 40 Hz to 500 Hz. Whether you're plugging in a laptop, a turntable, a TV, or all of them at once, the Play is ready to take center stage in your setup without any spaghetti mess of cables. Streaming with the Play is seamless. It's preloaded with Apple Music, Tidal, Qobuz, Amazon Music, Deezer, and even classical favorite Adagio, accessed right from that glorious front screen. Plus, it's Roon-ready, has Tidal and Spotify Connect, and is UPnP compatible. And here's the kicker: you get 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, so you can keep your favorite high-res files right on the device. Powered by the trusted AK4493 DAC chip, it delivers sound that's clear, smooth, and, dare we say, musical. It's not just a streaming amp, it's a fully integrated music ecosystem. Now, let's talk about sound. While we haven't had a full listening session yet, all signs point toward a rich, warm, and engaging audio character. It doesn't aim for surgical precision like some reference-level gear. Instead, it leans into musicality, making it perfect for long listening sessions. Vocals come through with natural warmth. Bass feels well controlled without being overbearing. And the mids? Just right. Think of it as the amp that lets you feel the music rather than analyze every micro detail. It's ideal for those who want enjoyment over examination, vibe over verdict. So, is the Eversolo Play the one-box solution we've all been waiting for? Honestly, yeah, it might be. At around $699 for the standard version, and $799 for the CD edition with a built-in optical drive, you're getting an all-in-one device that plays well with modern and vintage gear alike. Whether you're a vinyl head, a digital streamer, or just someone who wants killer audio without the fuss, the Play hits a sweet spot. It's not for the ultra-picky audiophile hunting for hyper-detail, but for everyone else. It's an easy recommendation. Simple, sleek, and seriously satisfying. So, what do you think? Could the Eversolo Play become the heart of your setup? Or are you holding out for something else? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another gear review.